Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on troubleshooting the Lenovo Legion 5. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps for diagnosing and resolving common hardware issues. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the right tools for this task. You will need a Phillips #0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage while working on your laptop. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can get the service you need without any hassle. Now, let's begin by removing the back panel of the Lenovo Legion 5. Start by unscrewing all the visible screws on the underside of the laptop. Be sure to keep track of the screws, as they may vary in length. Use a magnetic tray to organize them effectively. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious around the edges to avoid damaging any clips. Once you have successfully removed the panel, you can access the internals of the device. Next, we'll inspect the cooling system. Dust accumulation can cause overheating issues. Using compressed air, carefully clean the fans and heat sinks. This step is crucial to maintaining optimal performance. If you feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, our professional diagnosis without obligation can help identify any issues without commitment. Now, check the RAM and storage components. To remove the RAM, push the clips on either side of the module outward. If you notice any signs of damage or if the RAM is not seated properly, consider reseating it or replacing it if necessary. For the storage, if you have a solid-state drive, SSD, ensure it's securely connected. If you suspect a problem here, we also provide a quote before repair, so you know the costs up front. After inspecting these components, let's take a look at the battery. If your laptop is having power issues, the battery may need to be replaced. To do this, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard and remove the screws holding the battery in place. Again, remember to keep track of those screws. Once you've completed these checks, it's time to reassemble your Lenovo Legion 5. Place the back panel back on, aligning it properly with the clips. Screw it back in, ensuring all screws are tightened securely. If after these steps your device is still not functioning as expected, you may want to reach out for a professional diagnosis. Remember, we offer no calls, no travel services for your convenience. We can help diagnose and fix your laptop issues without you having to leave your home. Finally, before you power on your device, take a moment to ensure everything is connected properly. Once confirmed, turn on your Lenovo Legion 5 and see if the issues have been resolved. If not, don't hesitate to reach out for further assistance. We're here to help with any service you might need. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.